Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So this is the Craft CTM Ultra Carbon Trail, a carbon plated super shoe for trail running. Not really. I got these last year for a great price for the 3 years on YouTube special video I did. The retail price was about 255 euros, something ridiculous. And I will do my classic review from a casual perspective. This is the final video in my first ever series where I show off a brand new sneaker brand. And I really wanted to test these out in the rain, but where I live it doesn't rain anymore. Anyway, I'm going to get right into it, and these are the things I don't like. First of all, the retail price, and the fact there's nothing extra in the box for that ridiculous price, which is unacceptable at this point. All you dickwad runners should really start pointing this out. The next thing I don't like is the sizing. It's horrible. These are extremely tight and stiff. If you find them, go one size up. This shape in the back and the thick trash insole are not really helping. This midsole stack is just fake. The foot goes halfway inside the sneaker. These were unwearable, so I had to remove this trash fake ass boost insole thing. But then I've noticed that when walking, my ankles were hitting these edges. There is no view of the carbon, which really pisses me off. Show me the fucking carbon, don't just write on the sneaker there's carbon inside. These are way too heavy, at 340 grams for size 9.5 US. How exactly the fuck is this a running shoe? This midsole is not squishy, not even soft, nothing really. These are not breathable. So for shits and giggles I took them out in 40 degrees weather, my feet got baked. This Vibram outsole is overrated, just like Gore-Tex, and these lugs are way too big. This black stripe here is kind of whack. These are 1000% not for running, especially trail running. So what is the point of the sneaker anyway? Now let's get into the things I do like about these. So first of all, the design. I absolutely love the way these look and this Swedish flag colorway. The shape these have is very cool. Seriously, why they've made them so uncomfortable? This is another proof of a sneaker I bought just because I like the design. Even when I was cleaning them for the video, I just looked at them for minutes. Just look at the on feet again. How cool these look from above. I really like the fact they thought about preventing overpronation with these grooves on the sides. The materials and the build quality are very nice, and I do admit this overrated Vibram outsole is tough. There is no damage even after more than 60, maybe 70 kilometers of walking on concrete. Honestly, I'm really struggling to find something else I like about these. But anyway, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.